Hi, I'm Steph, and today I'm going to be testing out the top 5 most viral Halloween home decor crafts on Pinterest. We're going to be testing out these crafts, seeing if they're actually worth the hype, if they're actually as cool as they look on Pinterest, if we can actually do them, and I'm super excited because I love Halloween. It is my favorite holiday of all time. Let's get spooky. So the first DIY decor craft that we're gonna do is floating witch hat luminaries. We're gonna take these little witch hat Halloween decorations and hang them up with like a little glowing light inside. Hopefully they'll look really cool. I'm getting like Harry Potter Great Hall vibes from this. I'm gonna follow all the instructions from every Pinterest craft directly, just so we can know if like they're really telling the truth, if it actually works. If not, we might have to get creative. The Pinterest instructions said that we could use a glow stick or an LED light stick. I figure a glow stick is cheaper and easier to find, so we're gonna do it that way. Let's do it. I'm gonna thread this through my needle. This is like a scary needle. It's very thick. Let's go this way. So you're just gonna poke it through the top of the hat, maybe. Part 1 done, and now you're gonna take the other end that's inside the hat and tie a little loop at the end so that we can hang our glow stick from it. So let's tie a little knot. Why can't I tie knots? Why is this so hard? I got my knot. No, I don't. Why? I swear, I'm crafty. Okay, there we go. Crack this baby open so it glows. Hey, there we go. Ooh, glowy. Wow, that's really bright. Okay, that's great. Let's hang our glow stick right there. All right, moment of truth. Let's see if this works. Ooh. I think that might have been my fault and not the project's fault. Let's just try again. Oh, brother. Maybe I need to tie like an extra super duper quadruple knot. That looks pretty good, pretty sturdy. I trust it. Oh God, okay. Take 2, here we go. Da da da. I did it. It's really not very bright. Should we turn the lights off? I don't know, guys. So this is not great, not ideal. Maybe the LED stick would work better, but the glow stick I'm not gonna recommend. So there we go, we've tested out our first craft. I would say if this was a trick or a treat, I'm gonna call it a trick. This is a trick, Pinterest trick. This one I'm pretty sure is like the #1 most pinned Halloween decoration thing on Pinterest, which is crazy because it's also like the easiest thing in the world. Literally all we're doing is I have an empty wine bottle here. You can use any kind of wine bottle, a candlestick. These are literally the only things that you need. We're gonna take the candlestick, put it in the wine bottle. Of course it doesn't fit, because why would it? Why would we be that lucky? Theoretically, this is a thing that will happen. Maybe we can carve the end off. Let's do that. Let's just take some scissors. I told you, we're gonna have to get creative, but that's why we do these things, right? Let's try again. Oh, it's kinda going. Okay, here we go. You just gotta really shove it in there. Sorry. That's good. Okay, I will accept this. Once you have done that, all you do, where's my lighter? Yay, thank you. We're just gonna light it and whoop. And the idea is that it's supposed to drip all the way down the bottle and look really cool and goopy and spooky. So it would look really cool if I would have spray painted this black or like red or something, because then it would kind of combine and like mesh into it and it would look really cool. I didn't do that because I can't be bothered. But you know, you can be bothered if you want. And hopefully by the end of this video, maybe this will have become something. So we'll find out, stay tuned. But for now, let's move on to our next craft. All right, so the next DIY craft that we're gonna try is DIY spooky spider eggs. This one is very creepy, a little disturbing. I'm very into it. So let's see if we can achieve the creep factor here. So all we need are some white pantyhose, a nice little bucket of spiders, always need one of those, and a whole bunch of pillow stuffing. That's all you need, easy peasy. Maybe I should read the instructions. That would be a good start, I think. No. I hate when a pin is just an image and nothing else. So I have this little picture to work with and no instructions, so that's cool. We'll figure it out. So I'm gonna say we cut off one of these legs. Cutting off legs. So let's just take a bunch of stuffing and stuff away. Just kind of mush it around a little bit. We're making our own instructions here today. It looks kind of like something. I don't know. Why is everything hard? So now we're gonna put some spiders in it. Some creepy spiders. Let's just, yes. Yes. These are so cute. Put a few on the inside. Oh yeah, that's kind of spooky looking, right? Can only fit so much in a pantyhose. Pantyhose? It's just a bundle of spiders. What is a group of spiders called? Is there a name? There's a name for everything. Like a murder of crows. An army of ants, isn't that what they're called? Are spiders an army? I don't know if I want an army of spiders. I don't think I want that in my life. It doesn't matter, I'm thinking about this too much. I think that's as good as we're gonna get right now with the patience that I have. So now we're gonna put them all on the outside. We are gonna just glue away. My glue keeps falling. Oh my God. No real rhyme or reason. Of course, my glue stick is just not working. Come on, glue stick. I don't wanna, mother of God. It was only a matter of time before I burnt my hand. Come on, come on. Yeah, that looks kind of creepy. You know, the little like strings coming off the glue kind of look like cobwebs. So that's fine, that works. Wow, this is gross. I love it. I think we're done. From a distance, it's kind of creepy. And I would say, if it's a trick or a treat, I'm gonna say this one is a treat. Not a very cute treat though, it's pretty gross. All right, so our next craft I'm very excited about. This one is DIY pumpkin lanterns. Basically, it's a little bit of a twist on your usual pumpkin carving lantern thing. Instead of putting a face on this guy, we're just gonna like drill a bunch of holes in it. I'm going with a little pumpkin because I think it'll be kind of cute. A drill, I'm using these doohickeys. I don't know what they're called, but they make big holes. There you go, big hole drill bits. I've got an assortment of sizes, so let's get to it. Oh God, this is really hard. I should have gotten like a serrated knife maybe. Maybe don't do it this way, be safe. Do as I say, not as I do. And then I set the room on fire. Hey, we did it. Okay, I'm gonna sit down now. Let's dig out some of these guts. Ew. This is like always my favorite part of pumpkin carving. I don't know why. I think just because it's so gross. Yes! I had a scooper for this, but I just decided to go for it with my hands. You gotta get a little dirty. So there we go. All nice and hollowed out. It's a little scraggly in there, but we don't judge our pumpkins here. Let's get to the fun part. Oh yeah. Yeah, look at that hole. We did it. Let's do it 100 more times. Now that our pumpkin is significantly holy, let's swap out our drill bit. Let's try out this bad boy. This is giving me that like weird hole phobia. You know what that is?
Tribophobia.
Tribophobia? I'm so glad you knew what that was called because I didn't. Tribophobia?
Trypophobia.
Trypophobia. I'm getting some weird trypophobia, fear of holes thing going on here. It's really freaking me out. I'm not super into the idea of moving forward, but here we are and we're gonna keep going. Okay, here we go. So now we just have to clean out all this gook. I'm super into this, despite the fact that it gives me the heebie-jeebies. That's kind of what Halloween's all about, so it's okay. So now we're just gonna scoop out all this goop. Scooping the goop. Goop, scoop. And then for these tiny holes, I'm just gonna use some pipe cleaners to get the stuff out. This is like pretty much what they were invented for, right? Let's get a little tea light candle and put it right on top. Hey, that's kind of cute. Ooh, there's like pumpkin in my hair, on my face. Ooh, I love this. That's so cute. Okay, so that's it for the pumpkin lantern project. I really enjoyed this one. I think this might be my favorite one so far. I think it looks the best. It looks exactly like it does on Pinterest. I would say this is a treat, not a trick, 100%. Let's move on to our next project. All right, so our next and final project is a Halloween wreath. Super fun, super festive, super easy. So for this project, all we need is a grapevine wreath. Normally they are like green or brown, but I guess since it's Halloween town, I just want to watch Halloween Town really badly, apparently. Since it's Halloween time, they came out with an orange one. I don't know, here we are, but we're gonna paint it black, so it doesn't matter what color you have. So I have this one that I already painted, nice and dry, ready to go. Missed a couple spots, but it's fine. It looks very Halloween-y, so I'm okay with it. All we need is some ribbon. I got some like sparkly black to go with the theme here, and some spiders. I got these glitter spiders on Amazon. I thought they were really cute. Do whatever you want, but I was feeling this, so this is the vibe that we're going with right now. So the first thing that we're gonna do is take some of this ribbon, just cut off a piece, and then I'm just gonna tie it to the top of my wreath, because this is where we're gonna hang it from. And now, all I'm gonna do is just glue on some spiders with my trusty glue gun that I love so much. Let's just glue on all our spider friends, shall we? I'm normally not a wreath person, but I would totally hang this on my door all year round, just all the time, for no reason. We're done! That was so easy. I am a huge fan of this. Let's just take a look at the beautiful creation that we have just made. I am a huge fan of this. It's super cute, super easy to make. I would say this is totally a treat, not a trick. I would recommend this project for anyone. Let's just check on our lovely little candle that is just trying so hard, but it's not working. It's not working at all. I feel like if you got the right kind of candlestick, maybe it would melt. This one is just not having it. I don't know, maybe this will work for some candles, but not for this one. So I'm gonna say this one's a little bit of a trick. All right, that is it for our top 5 Pinterest Halloween home decor DIYs. 2 tricks, 3 treats. I'd say that's pretty good. The majority of the projects were great and I loved them. So that's awesome. I'm probably gonna hang the wreath on my door. I'm probably gonna take all of these home and like decorate my apartment so it's spooky to the max. I'm super excited about it. I hope you guys liked this video. Comment below if you think we should test some other Pinterest hacks, some other Pinterest DIYs, whatever you think we should test out. Let's do it. I'm ready. But that's it for this video. Thanks so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe to Nifty and I will see you guys next time. Bye.